my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can stop hair fall at home. And I was really happy that Himalaya came forward and decided to partner with me in this video, because one of the products that I've been testing and trying and loving in the past couple of months is the Himalaya's Anti-Hairfall shampoo. This is the Natural Protein 5 shampoo with castor oil and caffeine. Now, castor oil, we all know that is amazing for hair, but anyways, I will come to this very soon. Before that, I want to talk about the top causes of hair fall. Our hair is made up of 90% protein, and loss of protein is one of the root causes of hair fall and hair breakage. Some other causes of hair fall is repeated chemical treatment, especially in a bad salon like hair coloring and hair straightening. Heat treatment like blow drying and straightening and curling way too often. Pollution, dandruff, hormonal changes and stress. And this is the reason why I love the anti-hairfall shampoo from Himalaya, because it contains protein. So while you're washing your hair and cleaning your hair is also being coated with protein, which is gonna strengthen your hair and prevent it from breakage. It's gonna nourish your hair. Now, we all know that castor oil is an age-old beauty treatment that I feel is slowly being forgotten by us. Castor oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is high in antioxidants, in proteins, in minerals, in vitamin E, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid. Castor oil is also very high in ricinoleic acid, which is amazing for your hair growth and your hair shaft. It is said that when you use castor oil on your scalp, your hair grows 3 to 5 times faster than your normal hair growth rate. And it also treats your dandruff, makes your hair smooth and shiny and silky, and also has an anti-frizz property. And that I can definitely vouch for with this shampoo, because ever since I started using this shampoo, you guys, my hair has been so soft. You can see it's so much more manageable. My hair has a natural shine. Another ingredient that this shampoo has is caffeine. Caffeine stimulates the blood circulation to your scalp, and so it actually increases your hair growth. It also improves the structure of our hair roots and our hair shaft. So it is actually really good to promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. And I have a soft corner for Himalaya because it is an Indian brand and it is more or less a natural brand. They do not use parabens, and this brand is also cruelty free, which is a double thumbs up. Now let's move on to the DIY segment of this video. I'm going to be teaching you how to make an extremely nourishing hair oil. Let's get started. So what you're going to need is coconut oil, aloe vera, and of course castor oil. I'm using 2 baby natural aloe vera leaves for this video. All you have to do is wash it, chop off the little thorn bits. Now pour your coconut oil into a little bowl and set it on fire. Set it on fire? I don't think that's the right way to explain this. Heat up your coconut oil and then drop in your aloe vera into the coconut oil and keep this on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame, let it sit and cool down for a while, and then remove all of those aloe vera pieces. All of the goodness and juices of aloe vera has now infused into the coconut oil. So now we have aloe infused coconut oil. Pour this into a separate container, and to this add your castor oil. Give this a good mix, and here you have your easy, nourishing DIY hair oil. Part your hair and apply this oil directly onto your roots all over your head, and give your hair a nice good massage. Whatever is remaining on your hand, get it on the tips of your hair as well. You really don't need a lot on the tips of your hair. Leave this oil mixture on your hair for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. You are gonna find results in 2 weeks, guys. Give this 2 weeks. I mean, your hair takes time to grow, you know. And if you have survived till this portion of the video, I have a bonus tip for you. Simple, guys. It will cost you nothing. All you have to do is take your fingers, put it on your scalp, and give yourself a good head massage every day. And that again is going to stimulate the blood circulation on your scalp, which will benefit your hair growth and also the quality of your hair. Thank you so much for joining me, and now it's time for me to leave all the videos right down below. You can click, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next one. Mwah!